Unlock the power to effortlessly craft professional videos from mere text ideas, all thanks to InVideo AI. InVideo AI is your secret weapon for transforming simple text prompts into incredibly engaging video content. We're talking about the future of streamlined video creation, perfect for marketing, social media, and beyond. Let's dive in. The magic starts right here. First, head over to InVideo AI and locate the text-to-video feature. You'll see a prompt box. This is where you'll describe the video you want to create. Be descriptive. For example, let's say you want a video about the beauty of nature. You can type in something like a serene nature video featuring a forest sunrise, gentle bird sounds, and a calming voiceover discussing morning tranquility. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can understand and execute your vision. Once you hit generate, InVideo AI gets to work. It analyzes your prompt and intelligently selects relevant stock footage, images, and even appropriate text overlays. It's like having a whole creative team at your fingertips. You'll see your video come to life, broken down into different scenes. InVideo AI has already done the heavy lifting, piecing together visuals that match your prompt. But it doesn't stop at visuals. You can also easily add an AI-generated voiceover. Simply select your preferred voice and let InVideo AI narrate your script, ensuring a professional and polished audio track. And to really set the mood, you can effortlessly add background music from InVideo's extensive library. Choose a track that complements your video's theme and emotional tone. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to export. InVideo AI renders your video at high quality, ready to be shared across all your platforms. And there you have it, a stunning, automated video crafted in minutes, not hours. This is how you leverage InVideo AI for powerful marketing and social media content creation. Start experimenting and see what amazing videos you can bring to life.